and they won't necessarily have it, or they don't need to. We'll just give it to them. I'm gonna sit behind the cool dude.
Oh, the sick dude, yes.
Huh?
The sick dude.
You sick? Okay. All right. Take a look at problem number 1. They gave us this. They gave us this. And they gave us this. Okay? All I have to do with each of these is just find the slope. Now I can sit there and I can keep writing it over and over and over again, or we start realizing it's going to be 3 minus 1, which is 2. 1 minus minus 1, which is 2. So I got a slope of this being 1. No. All right. Let's see if I can figure out the next one. Ready? 2 minus 4, negative 2. 0 minus 3, negative 3.
Is it always going to be negative?
Well, I'm just doing the subtraction. I'm just doing it in my head because, we can. All right, hey, would you think this slope and this slope are parallel or perpendicular? No. Do I what? Am I on the wrong page?
No.
171.
What did what?
When did you assign it?
Yesterday? 24 hours ago?
Oh, yeah, this is the first, this is just the first equation.
Yeah.
25.
Okay. All right. 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 minus 0 is 3. All right. These two are the same. If they're the same slope, they are what kind of lines?
Parallel.
Parallel. Just use double lines like that. Okay? Problem number 2. We have this equation. We have this equation. And we have this equation. How do we find the slope when it doesn't give us the slope?
There is a slope right there.
The x is a 1, so it's like 1 over 1. Yeah.
All right. So I want to get y by itself. Is y by itself on this first one? What should I do in order to get y by itself? 2 over 2 and y being held together. So I'm going to divide. Divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. So my slope is 1/2. Okay? Next problem. Done the exact same way. I want to get y by itself. But I have a little bit more. So I'm going to add x to both sides first. I divide everything by 2. So I find the slope on this one is right here. It's 1 over 2. What can you tell me about the red slope and the green slope? They're the same. So what can you tell me about these two lines? They are parallel. So these are parallel lines. All right, last slope I want to find. I want to get y by itself. Subtract x, subtract x. Divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. This is where the slope lives. So I get a slope of negative 1/2. Is negative 1/2 the same thing as positive 1/2? No. Now careful. Careful, think about this. In order for it to be perpendicular, they have to be opposite sign. So the red and the purple are opposite sign, the green and the purple are opposite sign.
Yes.
They also have to be reciprocals, meaning I flipped over fraction. Is negative 1/2 the negative reciprocal of 1/2? So what is the reciprocal? If I were to flip over 1/2, if I flip it over, what do I get?
2 over 1.
2 over 1. That's the reciprocal. Okay, the negative reciprocal is this. So is this negative 2 over 1? How? It says negative 1/2 up there. You're just answering the answer, aren't you?
Yeah.
Good going, Cupcake.
Hey, don't call me that.
Okay, Sunshine.
That's nice.
Okay. So the red and the green are parallel to each other. Line A and line B are parallel to each other. Line C is just another line. It would just cross. It's not parallel or perpendicular. Line 3. I have this as one equation. And then I gave us these points. Okay? Do I know what the slope is to this? What is it? Yeah, so the slope of this is negative over 4 over 1. Okay, it's whatever's attached to the x. Okay? What should I do with the green? Well, do our slope equation. You know, what's frustrating to me is I can write this slope equation down, no problem. They're like, yeah, but you're the teacher. Okay, I'm here to teach you. Why aren't you able to remember the slope equation? Because I never write anything down when I'm in class. Oh, why not? I don't learn that way. Well, let's try it for a change, Mr. 31%. I kid you not, I've had those kind of conversations. I don't learn the way you teach. How do you learn? Well, when I'm able to copy off my friends, that's not learning. Okay? So why am I writing things down over and over and over again? So I can sit there, well, I don't have a pencil. Do you have your phone with you? Yeah. Oh, you're able to remember your phone, which is not going to help you in math, but you can't remember a pencil.
Or pen.
Yeah, it's pretty pathetic. I mean, we have plenty up there on that desk you can borrow.
You can even use a pen.
Crayon, lipstick, blood,
No, it's
boogers.
blood. Blood's not.
Oh, what?
Blood's not
Boogers.
today.
Yeah.
This Friday, 9 sir.
4 minus what?
Uno.
Thank you. 1 minus. Huh? Negative 3. So that gives me a 3 on top. Huh? Do what? What? 4 minus 1. 1 minus minus 3. Yeah, that's a 4 right there.
Yeah.
That's my slope here. Hey, is 3/4 as a slope versus negative 4 over 1 as a slope? Are they parallel or perpendicular?
No.
No. They're not identical, so they're not parallel. They're not flipped over negative reciprocal fractions. All right, let's try this one. 2 minus 2, negative 4. 3 minus 0. Oh, I forgot how to do that. That's what this slope is. Talk to me, friends. There are 2 slopes up here that will make perpendicular lines. Which 2? Yeah, this and this are flipped over fractions. That's called a reciprocal. And opposite sign. One's positive, one's negative. So these happen to be perpendicular. That upside down T means perpendicular. Agree?
Yes.
Cool. All right, let's take a look at number 6. We want this. Write an equation in point slope form. Oh, hang on. Point slope form is this. Agree?
Oh,
That passes through the given point and is parallel. Okay? So this point is going to be used here or somewhere in this equation. So I need to figure out what the slope of this line is. What do you think the slope would be?
4. -4.
-4. Okay. What do you know about parallel slopes?
What do they need to be the same of?
So -4. Parallel slope's -4. So I'm going to take my equation. I'm going to plug my x1 and my y1 in. So I'm going to get y minus 1 equals -4 is the slope. X minus minus 2. Clean it up a little bit. Friends, it said I needed to have our equation put into point slope form. Is it in point slope form?
Yeah.
I don't have to go any further. Point slope. So know the difference. If you don't know the difference and you keep going, oh, y equals mx plus b, you're doing one, more work, and you're taking the chance that you might get it incorrect. No.
Also, too, just like as a side note, too, the reason why we keep saying point slope or slope equation is because on your quiz Monday,
What?
again, your Monday quiz, okay, we'll give you the equations, but we're not going to tell you what is what, right? So you need to make sure you are labeling point slope for yourself, okay? You can't remember the equation.
Did you guys say?
Okay.
How about this?
Yeah, did you watch a video yesterday?
No.
Oh, why the heck do I record?
Uh-huh.
Huh? Why do I record? Why not? Did you spend any time on your phone yesterday when you were homesick?
No. not
Bullshit. Bullshit.
Chris, girl.
Calling it on it. So, I know you feel bad, buddy, but dude, why do you think I record?
really. Just
I used to record so my own mom could watch my videos and see how Sonny was doing, but she died back in March. So now someone else better watch it. You guys. All right, X1, Y1, yes? This is number 8. We want the equation in point slope form for the line that passes through the given point and is perpendicular. All right, what is my slope of this line right here? Good, all right. What is the perpendicular slope? Remember, perpendicular means negative reciprocal. Close. Positive 5/3. It's going to be the opposite sign. So the original slope was negative. So this one's going to be positive and flipped over. So now I'm going to take the perpendicular slope, x1, y1. Okay, y minus 1 equals 5/3 x minus 6. This equation is perpendicular to this equation. This equation also contains this point. Okay? Friends, here's the opportunity for you to try. I am going to assign page 173 and 174. Now, listen. I'm giving you specific problems.
It's free, man. Yeah.
All right. Friends, why do you think I assigned you the odds? No, number 11 says write the equation in point slope form containing those points. You don't have to then manipulate A and B.
So, by the way, just warning, because of the schedule for the storm, we get out of here at 11:55, so you guys got some time,
No.
okay? So, let's work on these problems. If you are confused, please clarify with me and Gerda. Because again, what do you have Monday? Yes, there you go.
Carolyn.
Wait, what do we have Monday?
Oh, you was bugging, bro. You was bugging.
All right. I put a note up there on the board for a reminder to me because, you know, I can't remember anything. But yeah, I'm not going to write anything down. All these problems are posted on Schoology in the WLF folder for WLF number 6. What's up, Easy?